Right, I hope everyone's doing alright. Ultra quick deadfall trap. All you got to really do is just find logs. You set them up, one each side. Doesn't matter what the weights are, as long as they're roughly about the same height, I suppose, once they're laid down. So one each side. One in the middle, and then two extra ones to create more weight. The ones on the sides keep it steady and also block the sides in as well. One's on top, add the extra weight, and then this one is like your crushing bar. Once you've got these, we can just find logs anywhere. Then all you've really got to do is carve a trigger. And that trigger is just a simple figure 4. Any trigger would go in there. Very simple, very quick to make, as long as you can find logs. I suppose you could put one log underneath as well, but you may have to dig it in, if you know what I mean. Because otherwise you'd have to try and stack logs up, and then that would involve more wood of putting stakes in and things like that. Once you find the logs, it takes about 5 minutes of setting up, and then if you know how to do the triggers quick, it'll take you just a little while to do the trigger, you know, another 5, maybe 10 minutes.